Clerkie Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Clerkie and related credit repair resources are included in the description below. Clerkie Credit Repair is a modern, AI-powered financial assistant designed to help users reduce debt, repair their credit, and build long-term financial health, all in one clean, user-friendly platform. Unlike traditional credit repair companies, Clerkie takes a proactive approach, focusing not just on disputing negative items, but also on negotiating debt settlements and offering guided budgeting tools. It's built for consumers who want a hands-off yet transparent way to manage and improve their credit, especially those with debt challenges or limited financial knowledge. One standout feature is Clerkie's Debt Solver, which uses AI to analyze your debts and income, then offers personalized plans to negotiate with creditors and lower monthly payments. Another key element is the credit improvement system, which identifies issues hurting your score and provides step-by-step actions, including automatic error disputes and bill tracking. The platform also includes financial coaching, credit monitoring, and payment reminders, giving users the tools they need to avoid future credit pitfalls. A major strength is its accessibility. Clerkie is easy to use, even for those with no credit repair experience, and its automated tools handle most of the legwork. It's also much more affordable than traditional credit repair services, offering flat-rate monthly plans with no hidden fees. The AI-driven personalization means your plan adapts over time based on progress and financial changes, making it ideal for people who want ongoing support, not just one-time fixes. However, Clerkie isn't perfect. It doesn't cover all 3 credit bureaus for disputes, focuses generally on TransUnion, and its results depend heavily on user engagement. Those looking for fast, aggressive credit repair might find it a bit slower and more conservative in its approach. Also, the debt negotiation process requires user authorization, so it's not 100% automated. Still, for most users looking for a smart, supportive, and cost-effective way to improve their credit and tackle debt, Clerkie is a strong option. It's especially useful for people with moderate credit issues and those who want financial guidance beyond just dispute letters. Check the links in the description to try Clerkie and see how it fits your credit repair strategy.